Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and this is the LG dual screen case. And I decided to make a separate video about it because I really wanted to just focus about the case itself. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here we have the LG dual screen case for your LG Velvet. Now if you guys did not have the LG V60 that also had the dual screen case, now with this exception, this actually came with the case for some of the carriers, but for the LG Velvet you do not get the case, so you probably have to buy that separate. But as you guys can see from the box, if you guys do not see that, then you definitely don't have a authentic product. So you do have a little bit of a sticker thing there. Try to pop that out just like so. So here's the one that came with the kit for the reviewers. Here's the case itself. It's very similar to the one that you get with the LG V60. Alright, so here is the case itself. So the one thing that I can say right off the bat is that this case is very similar to the one that you get with the LG V60, including this one in the back here. So I have the V60 actually here. See if we can close that up real quick, but this is the one on the V60 and this is the one on the Velvet. So as you guys can see, it does have a different camera set up there, but they are really similar in stature. But it looks like the case for the V60 is a little bit thicker, and on the front you do not have that mirror design on there no more. You do have more of like a flat, matte surface here that does not show fingerprints. And you should have a little thing here so you could see the time or something like that. I'm not positively sure. But on the inside, when you pop it open, you do have your quick start guide, which is dope. And you do have your little adapter that you have to hook up with your charger so you could charge the case, because it does have a different charging port, as you can see from there. But everything looks pretty good when it comes to the case itself. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. I'm really curious to know if it does come in different colors, because it seems like the silver goes with the silver perfectly. So hopefully when they have the other ones, they match the exact same. So I did actually power up my phone already. So when you guys get your phone, or your case actually, if you want to turn it on, you can hit that little button on the side there, turn on dual screen, just like so. And then you have your two screens when it comes to the LG Velvet. Now the first thing I noticed, it's definitely thinner, and you guys can see some notifications there as well, which is great, because the one on the V60 you did not get that. It was basically like some wasted space when it comes to the front. So this was so it did show the time, but it was not as cool as this one. I mean, like, it really depends on what's your preference, but I do like this better because it's focused right on there, and you know it when you just hit the power button, just like so. And with the V60, it was very similar as well. Alright, so first thing I could say between the difference here, and look what just happened, like it popped on really quick because it has a really strong magnet. So that does work with the V60 case and with the Velvet case, so heads up on that one. But here's what they look like side by side, if you guys are curious about the Velvet. Now, as far as the waist stature, it seems like the Velvet is a little bit more thinner, but I definitely like the design on the Velvet a whole lot more. I'm very proud of LG for actually stepping up their game when it comes to design. But while it's in the case, it's definitely cool. It looks really different. One thing I could say is that the material, I think the material on this one feels a little bit more premium, because they do have that nice, glass in the front, but the back was always a problem when it came to fingerprints. You see the fingerprints on there? But let's just see how it looks when it comes to the camera hump. So you have a little bit of lip action right over there, and let's see if you have any lip action for the case right here. So everything is pretty much showing, so not really that much protection. You do have a little bit of that lip right there though. It's really minimal, but it is there, so that is definitely a plus. So if If you guys want to check out some tips of the LG dual screen, you guys let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to show you some tricks of how to change this whole setup, and you're able to set up your own little wallpaper and setup. It does not have to look exactly the same. You can actually change a lot of the settings when it comes to the wallpaper on this side and the apps as well. You're able to drag your favorite apps in the front here. It will not affect that, and you can put 2 different wallpapers on there as well. Alright, so if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe to the channel, please do. And if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up again. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the LG Velvet. And more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. The buttons are really tactile, by the way. Later.